Okay, we got a 2001 CRV. Sorry about my voice, it's a little early in the morning still. This one has a P0505, basically idle air control issue, where sometimes it doesn't want to idle, or it'll idle too high. It's common issue that people replace is the idle air control valve, this piece right here. Guy replaced it, set the same code, and this one actually had two different problems. So when spraying the intake gasket, it had high fuel trims, basically indicating that there was outside air coming into the intake that it couldn't monitor for, so it had to adjust. So the fuel trim was at about 10% long term, and then if I sprayed brake clean in this corner, it would actually start to even out. So that's the first issue that we saw. As you can see, there's a lot of this stuff is kind of gunked up and seized. I mean, the car's 23 years old. So I think this is the main area of where it was coming in. You can see kind of how much darker. Obviously this is the EGR passageway, so it's going to be darker, but there was some indications of leaks here. That's most likely what was causing his intake leak. This area, however, on the actual throttle body itself, was causing the fast idle or idle check engine code. So as you can see, all of these hoses are really brittle. Taking them off, they just completely broke off. And then this piece that does adjust idle as the vehicle warms up, which is his problem, is it would warm up, it couldn't really control idle properly. As you can see, it's completely gunked up. So these all indicate controlling idle. We're also going to clean his throttle body. As you can see, that thing needs to be cleaned as well. So we have a few different problems. The intake manifold is about 3 to 4 hours of labor. The other stuff is probably an additional hour to clean everything up, retest it, and get them good to go. So if you have a 4-cylinder Honda, this is going to work across pretty much every Honda with this particular engine. Very common problem. If you clean this up and get all the gunk out of here and you still have the same code, the next best step is to find a used throttle body that you can throw in there where this stuff is not plugged up. I searched. If anyone knows how to find this part specifically, I wasn't able to find it. It's all sold with the throttle body that I can find. But if you find this, put it in the comments, let me know so I can order it for the next guy. All right, thank you guys. Hope this helps somebody with this code, dealing with this issue. Start with probably pulling the throttle body, cleaning this, seeing if there's any additional codes, unless there's other problems that could contribute to the same code. So thanks guys.